But just a month ago, John Swinney, our Cabinet Secretary for COVID recovery, said this was the wrong way to handle it. So can I ask the First Minister, what's changed in the last month from what John Swinney said then to her announcement today? When will the Scottish Government provide businesses with specific guidance on how to manage the scheme, and will they be expected to police it themselves? If so, will there be further government support provided to them? And finally, the First Minister said she would not introduce this to hospitality venues at the moment, but would keep that under review. Will she ensure there is meaningful dialogue with the hospitality sector during that period, listen to their concerns, and if she does believe vaccine certification is required in hospitality venues, will that also require a vote in Parliament and parliamentary approval?
I hope the First Minister was able to catch the questioning clearly. First Minister.
Forgive me, President Officer, I did hear the question. I'm not sure what the noise in the background was, but I'm sure it was understandable, whatever it was. Can I